Hello there, lovely folks of Woodland Hills. Are you in need of a top-notch windshield replacement? Look no further than Quick Service Auto Glass, your local auto glass experts, right here in Woodland Hills, California. Whether it's a tiny chip or a full-blown crack, our skilled technicians are here to get your vehicle's glass looking brand new in no time. Our process? It's as smooth as a fresh pane of glass. We start by carefully removing your old, damaged windshield, prepping the area to ensure a perfect fit, and then expertly installing a brand new one. Our team makes sure everything is sealed tight so you can drive away with confidence. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to our happy customers. They love our fast service, friendly team, and unbeatable prices. But don't just listen to us. Check out this 5-star review. Amazing service, quick and professional. Highly recommend. Ready to get back on the road with a crystal clear view? Give us a call at 818-2644-589 or visit our website at quickserviceautoglass.com to schedule your appointment today. And don't forget to check out our Google My Business page for more great reviews and information. That's Quick Service Auto Glass, where we make your windshield replacement quick, easy, and worry-free. See you soon, Woodland Hills.